What? Is it spicy?
Yes.
You, we are ready.
Never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water.
Hi guys, so today we are going to prank one of our members. His name is Jessen. I bet you know who he is, and he doesn't know we are going to prank him, so okay.
We told Jessen that we're going to prank one of our special guests that then, basically we pranked two of our friends that day.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
So today we are going to prank one of our friends. His name is Howard. And we are going to do the Samyang challenge. Enjoy!
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo.
We managed to eat Indomie instead of eating the super spicy noodle. And I didn't know that Stephanie added some of the spicy noodle into Jessen's noodle. And by the way, this is Ray talking. I edited my voice.
On your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of them.
Hi guys, so today we are going to do a Samyang challenge part 2 as you guys have asked us to do. As you can see, we are blindfolded. If we have finished our Samyang, we can open our blindfold. If we haven't finished our Samyang and we open the blindfold, we got punishment and we lost the challenge.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go!
It's not that spicy.
Not spicy.
It's not that spicy.
How about your hot? What? Is it spicy?
Yes. Mine is not spicy at all.
Mine is spicy, oh my god. Mine is very spicy.
Yeah.
Mana? Okay, I'm done. Keep your blindfolds up.
Give up?
No.
Done?
Not yet.
Oh, that's spicy. I don't think.
Are you crying?
No. You told us you can.
Go, go,
Okay, I'm
go.
done.
Not yet.
I can find the noodle.
Nah tuh. Go Howard, go Howard.
That's mine.
Am I done?
Not yet.
Really?
Mm.
It takes so long.
Am I done?
Kick your blindfold it.
Am I done?
Not yet. Just a little bit more.
Okay,
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Finish.
Not yet.
Be fast, be fast.
That's already.
They keep adding you.
Okay. Done. Done. Listen, done.
Okay.
Wait. Don't wait.
No, wait. We may not open it. Everybody stand up.
Stand up.
And that works. Okay.
Move your hand backward.
Move there. We may not open the blindfold yet. We may not open. Move. There.
Move. May not open.
We may not open yet.
May not open. May not open. Itu the dentist time. Wait.
Okay, guys. So that is the summer challenge part. So I finished mine.
You eat Indomie.
Yes.
Oh,
We both ate Indomie. She was
Wow.
eating samyang
With
with bon
chabe.
chabe. Comment down below what you think of this video and comment down on what should we do next.
Oh, lebat.
And
Next challenge.
Yes, next challenge. We really had fun.
Wait. Jetsin ya, Cin ang kain na da.
Everybody is having fun and goodbye bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
Like, comment, subscribe, and
share.
Follow my lead, come coming now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too.